The dopamine deception, why you really crave. You don't crave food because you're hungry. You crave it because your brain is screaming for dopamine. And if you don't learn how to control that scream, it will control you. Modern foods are engineered to be irresistible, hijacking our brain's reward system. Understanding this is the first step to regaining control. Cravings have nothing to do with willpower. The food industry spends billions to make sure their products hit that bliss point, triggering a dopamine rush that keeps you coming back. But today, you're going to fight back. Today, we equip you with the knowledge and strategies to conquer these urges. Let's get something crystal clear right from the start. Cravings are not hunger. True hunger is a physiological need, while cravings are rooted in your brain's emotional and reward centers. They are your brain's reaction to stress, fatigue, boredom, or habit. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, plays a massive role in motivation and pleasure. Modern food, particularly hyper-palatable processed foods, lights up your dopamine pathways. This creates a cycle: crave, indulge, crash, crave more. It's a roller coaster that can leave you feeling out of control, but understanding this cycle is the first step to breaking it. The craving cycle starts with a trigger, ignites the crave, leads to the eat phase, followed by guilt, and then repeat. You're not weak if you find yourself caught in this cycle. Big food companies invest billions to design food products that hit your dopamine switch hard. They employ teams to meticulously engineer these addictive bites. Think about the crunch of a chip, the way chocolate melts, the fizz of a soda. These are carefully crafted sensory experiences designed to enhance dopamine release. But here's the good news: you can break the loop. Understanding the craving cycle and learning how your brain responds are the first steps. It requires awareness, strategy, and patience. But it is possible. Let me show you how to regain control and rewrite your relationship with food. Our first actionable tip to combat cravings is the 20-minute rule. When a craving hits, do nothing for 20 minutes. Set a timer and commit to waiting. Cravings build, peak, and then fade away. The 20-minute delay helps you ride out the initial surge. Distract yourself, go for a walk, drink water, call a friend, or dance. Shift your focus to break the mental loop. By the time the timer goes off, the urgency of the craving often diminishes. This builds self-efficacy and empowers you to manage urges. It's a small victory that builds momentum for bigger ones. Our second tip is to know your triggers. Every craving has a cue, a situation, emotion, time, or thought pattern. Start journaling your cravings. Note what you are doing, feeling, the time and place. Patterns will emerge, revealing your triggers. Understanding these triggers helps you interrupt the loop. It's often about the underlying emotion or situation. Develop healthier stress management techniques or plan engaging activities. Healing your relationship with food starts with awareness. It's about understanding the context, not just the craving. Tip number 3, eat more protein. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer and stabilizes blood sugar levels. This reduces cravings for quick energy snacks. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Incorporate protein into lunch and dinner. This prevents the 3 p.m. sugar crash. High-protein diets reduce overall calorie intake and late-night cravings. Imagine cutting evening snacking by more than half. This isn't about restrictive dieting. It's about choosing foods that work with your body. Protein keeps you feeling satisfied and empowered against cravings. So there you have it, a deeper understanding of cravings and strategies to take back control. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Build awareness, understand your patterns, and make conscious choices. Celebrate every small victory. These victories build new habits and a stronger sense of self-efficacy. You begin to trust yourself more and realize you are not at the mercy of urges. Reclaim your power and create a healthier relationship with food. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know which tip you're going to try first.